In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access GPT-4o in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to ChatGPT or simply looking to make the most out of your free tier access, this guide will walk you through all the necessary steps. Let's dive in and get you up and running with GPT-4o right away. First, you'll want to head over to the ChatGPT platform. If you're new to the site, simply search for ChatGPT in your browser and click on the link to reach the homepage. Now, if you already have an account, you're one step ahead. Otherwise, you'll need to create one, which usually involves providing an email address and setting a password. For those of you with an account, go ahead and log in with your credentials. This step is straightforward but crucial, as accessing the latest features requires you to be logged in. Here's some exciting news. ChatGPT's free tier now provides access to GPT-4 level capabilities. This means that you can experience more powerful, intelligent responses without having to sign up for a premium version. Once logged in, you're all set to explore these advanced features. Next, you want to start a new chat session. Starting a new chat is as easy as it sounds. Look for the New Chat button on the platform. It's usually located at the top of the sidebar on the left. Clicking this will open up a new chat window where you can begin your interaction with ChatGPT. Now, it's time to type in your prompt. This is where the magic happens. Think of a question or topic you'd like to explore and type it into the chat window. The system is designed to understand a wide variety of requests, so feel free to ask about anything that sparks your curiosity. Once you've entered your prompt, hit enter and sit tight for a moment. After submitting your prompt, you'll receive a response from ChatGPT. This response comes from GPT-4o, known for delivering even more nuanced and contextually aware answers compared to its predecessors. Take a moment to read through the reply thoroughly. It's designed to be insightful and informative. Lastly, don't hesitate to ask follow-up questions. One of the greatest strengths of engaging with GPT-4o is the opportunity to deepen your understanding through further inquiry. If the initial reply prompts more questions, or if you need clarification, go ahead and type in your next question. This conversational approach enables a more rich and productive interaction. And there you have it. You've successfully accessed GPT-4o on ChatGPT. With these steps, you can leverage this powerful tool to explore ideas, solve problems, or simply satisfy your curiosity. Thanks for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing what incredible discoveries you'll make using GPT-4o.